to say there. Mary, right?
Yeah, Mary Crennick. Nice to meet you. So, when we think about the CERT, when we look at the workflow that our tax preparers have told us about, we have different offerings throughout our ProLine product. They're going to fit into your workflow. Tax primarily is going to be here in the preparation stage, but we also have offerings in the data collection, in our data entry, research, file and finalize, and consultation. So within the entire workflow, we're going to have a different offering that's going to integrate with Lacert, that's going to help our tax preparers with their efficiency. Was there anything in particular that you wanted to know about the Lacert?
How it integrates and how it's optimized for smaller firms would be important.
So when you think about, when we start with setup, so we have a new ProLine Practice Management. That one is going to help them integrate both of their QuickBooks clients as well as their Lacert tax clients. So they'll be able to edit that client data and it'll go back and forth. The data will change. You won't have to go into two different places to make that change. It's also going to give you information such as time and billing, so you can increase your efficiency when you're billing your clients. You're also going to be able to track throughout your engagement, your statuses, and when the due dates are. So it's going to really help those small firms that don't have different people doing those types of jobs streamline that. When you go into data collection has traditionally been your organizers, things like that. We also have a new offering, ProLine Tax Import, and what that is that's going to help you scan in your document, and then you can populate the tax product and eliminate your data entry when you're doing scan and populate for your source documents.
Can you scan it in or fax it in?
You can. Well, what your customers would do, the tax preparer's clients will either give you the paper source documents as the preparer, or they'll scan them in themselves and email them to you, right? So then you'll take that, you'll upload it to our servers, organize it, and then we will be able to import it into the tax product for you. So our trend is thinking really never enter data. We want to take you out of that data entry piece.
Right.
So then when you're actually in the tax preparation piece, we know e-file is a huge trend right now. And our tax preparers, again, they're looking for a standardized workflow, right? They want a standardized, efficient workflow. That's how they become efficient, by having something standardized. So when we think about e-file, if we don't support all of the states for e-file, they're having to have two different workflows, a paper file for their states and an e-file process for their federal returns. So we've really expanded our state e-file so that we can help them have that standardized workflow. So they have one workflow for both their state and their federal returns. That's the biggest one. We have a lot of other things that we do.
Right.
When we talk about research, there's research also when you're doing the tax return. And we have a new offering called ProLine Tax Research. That offering allows you to get targeted research, top hits on searches of research while you're moving through the tax return. So depending on where you are in Lacert, you'll get relevant research topics displayed for you.
Really?
You can also go in and do searches for...
Get like F1 or something? Or...
No, I can actually show you if you want.
Yeah.
And then when we talk about file and finalize, again, that's your e-file. We expanded e-file. We have DMS, so that you can go ahead and scan in, or actually just print your returns to a PDF file and have an archive type. And then consultation, that's where we have a tax planner as well as a tax analyzer offering to help you provide more services to your clients. So that's how all of our different pieces that you'll see throughout the gallery walk here today, how they all fit together.
Terrific. Got it?
Yeah.
That worked out pretty well.
Did it?
I thought so.
It was kind of long.